Finding the best waffle bowl maker can feel tricky when you want bowls that hold shape and stay crisp. The best ones heat even, release clean, and work well for home treats or small parties, which is common in many US kitchens. I've tested a few of these while making dessert bowls and breakfast cups, and the right design makes a big difference. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. CucinaPro Double Waffle Bowl Maker. The CucinaPro Double Waffle Bowl Maker feels like a fun kitchen idea for anyone who enjoys creative desserts at home. I have seen many people use it for family nights, and it seems to turn simple batter into bowls fast. The dual bowl cooking saves time when guests wait. The smooth, non-stick release helps bowls lift out without stress. The quick heat action keeps things moving during busy moments. Many users enjoy filling bowls with ice cream, fruit, or yogurt, which makes snacks feel special. It also appears easy to wipe after use, which matters on tired evenings. Some people mention that results depend on careful timing, so patience helps at first. A few also wish for more control over heat, especially for even shape. Still, most feedback points to steady cooking and playful results. This waffle bowl maker seems best for homes that enjoy hands-on treats and shared kitchen fun.
Number 4. OVENTE Electric Waffle Bowl Maker. The OVENTE Electric Waffle Bowl Maker looks like a friendly option for simple home treats. From customer notes, this model feels easy to handle and quick to warm. The smooth, non-stick surface helps bowls lift out with less struggle. The cool touch handle adds comfort during use. The Ready Light Guide helps with timing when making snacks. Many users enjoy turning basic batter into neat bowls for ice cream or fruit. The compact body seems helpful for small kitchens or shared spaces. Cleanup appears simple with a gentle wipe after cooling. Some feedback mentions uneven cooking at times, so watching the process matters. A few buyers also wish for more heat control for better balance. Still, most reviews point to steady results for casual desserts. For people who want quick waffle bowls without extra effort, this waffle bowl maker offers playful use and good everyday value.
Number 3. CucinaPro Bubble Waffle Maker. The CucinaPro Bubble Waffle Maker feels like a fun idea for anyone who enjoys playful desserts at home. From what buyers share, this machine turns basic batter into soft, bubble waffles that look great and taste sweet. The smooth, non-stick finish helps release waffles without tearing. The ready light signal makes timing less stressful for new users. The compact table size fits well on small counters. Many people say it works well with classic mixes and feels enjoyable for kids and guests. I also noticed that cleaning opinions are mixed. Some wipe it fast, while others struggle if batter spills inside. A few reviews mention the clip can feel weak, so gentle handling matters. Bubble size can vary until you learn the right pour. Overall, this bubble waffle maker seems best for casual fun, treats, and simple home snacks, rather than perfect results every time. Number 2. StarBlue Double Waffle Bowl Maker. The StarBlue Double Waffle Bowl Maker looks like a smart pick for people who enjoy serving desserts in a fun way. From user feedback, it handles waffle bowls with steady results and saves time by shaping two bowls together. The even heat spread helps both sides cook in a similar way, which many buyers praise. The easy wipe cleanup stands out for busy kitchens and quick snacks. The solid build feel gives confidence during regular use. Reviews show that ice cream and fruit bowls turn out golden and firm with the right timing. Many users enjoy experimenting with sweet ideas, while savory attempts may need practice. Overfilling seems to cause mess, so careful portions matter. Some people wish guidance on timing came included, especially for first use. Still, most feedback highlights reliability and value. For home treats, parties, or gifts, this waffle bowl maker appears dependable, creative, and enjoyable without being complicated. Number 1. Presto Belgian Waffle Bowl Maker. The Presto Belgian Waffle Bowl Maker sounds like a fun kitchen tool for people who enjoy creative meals. Many buyers describe steady results with soft centers and golden edges. The even bake feel helps bowls hold fillings without breaking. The quick release surface makes lifting bowls simple after cooking. The easy wipe care keeps cleanup calm after busy meals. Reviews show that store mixes work well, which saves prep time. People enjoy filling bowls with fruit, eggs, or savory foods. Timing seems flexible, so texture can change based on preference. A few users note that batter thickness matters for best shape. Light oil use appears helpful at first, though heavy oil is not advised. The size feels right for family plates and casual meals. Overall, feedback points to strong value, playful use, and reliable performance for breakfast, lunch, or dessert ideas at home. Final verdict. If you want the best overall waffle bowl maker with reliable shape and crisp results, the Presto Belgian waffle bowl maker is my top pick. It heats evenly, releases bowls cleanly, and consistently holds fillings without breaking, making it great for both sweet and savory ideas at home. If you often host guests or want to make bowls faster, the StarBlue Double Waffle Bowl Maker is an excellent second choice, letting you cook 2 bowls at once with solid, even results. Both deliver fun, creative servings with minimal cleanup. Want current prices, deals, and full product details? Check the links in the description and pick the waffle bowl maker that fits your kitchen best.